Welcome back. Today we will see another notification from Staff Selection Commission. This is the notification released from Staff Selection Commission. The notification is especially for multitasking, that means non-technical post. If you observe that here, the first date, that means the starting date of an application, if you observe here, it is 5/2/2021, that means today itself. The last date for receipt of online application is 21/3/2021 by 11:30 p.m. Okay, by making online fee payment also the same date by 11:30 payment. Last date for generation offline you can able to check here, but very importantly you can able to see that, okay, the starting date and last date. Very importantly you can able to see the starting date is 5/2/2021, that means today. Okay, and the last date if you observe that 21/3/2021. Is it clear? Now very important one, that is, now go back to the eligibility criteria. Okay, the eligibility criteria is 10th class, that means the eligibility is SSC. 10th class is the eligibility criteria. And one more thing, if you are to observe here, the age limit, the age should be between 18 to 25 for one category of job, and it should be 18 to 27 for another category of job. Is it clear? Now if you observe that, if you observe here, the reservation the reservation candidates can have a age relaxation according to this table. Then we will move to the we will move to the application fee. If you observe that the application fee is 100 rupees for women candidates and candidates belonging to SC, ST and person with disability, ex-serviceman, they are exempted from the fee payment. Is it clear? Now examination pattern. If you observe the examination pattern here in paper 1, that is computer based examination, general English 25 marks, general intelligence and reasoning 25 marks, numerical aptitude 25 marks and general awareness 25 marks, total 100 questions for 100 marks. Okay, but the time limit, if you observe the time limit here, the time limit is 90 minutes. Okay, for disability candidates it is 120 minutes. Is it clear? Now that is a paper 1, there will be a negative of 0.25 marks. If you observe that, there will be a negative of 0.25 marks. That is, the paper 1 consists of a computer based exam. Coming to the paper 2, if you observe that the paper 2 is a descriptive paper, it is a short essay or letter in English or in any language included in the 8th schedule of the constituency. The maximum marks is 50. They are going to give 30 minutes for normal persons, then 40 minutes for the candidates eligible for scribes. Is it clear? If you have to observe very important point here, you can observe an essential qualification here. Essential educational qualification, the candidates must have passed a matriculation examination, that means 10th class examination or equivalent from a recognized board. That's it for today guys. SSC MTS notification. Okay, very good opportunity for the candidates, those who are eligible to apply this. Thank you very much for each and everyone. If you have any queries, then you can please comment it. Okay, thank you very much for each and everyone. Have a nice day.